Hello superheroes, welcome back to 3 minutes tips and tricks to be your child superhero. Hi, this is Komal. I'm a Chief Psychologist at Little Leap and I am back again with 3 minutes tips and tricks to make your child smart, confident and independent. So today I'm going to talk about sentence formation. Most of the parents are really worried that their child is not speaking in full sentences or grammatically correct sentences, and especially English speaking. So just 3 tips that you can practice on a daily basis. One is always encourage your child to speak in a full sentence very politely. For example, when you're asking, do you want to have milk? Usually they say yes, no, let them speak, not don't practice with milk because most of the kids don't like milk. So probably you can practice with chocolate or something that they like. Start from that. So do you want chocolate? They say yes, no, or yes, give me. Then you have to just prompt them a little bit and say say I want chocolate. This is majorly for kids who have just started English speaking or who have just maybe started speaking properly and confidently. Second most important tip is I have noticed many parents when the child is speaking, so they try to, if there is any grammatical error, you will just stop the child in between while they're talking and you will correct them. Or let's say they're speaking and they're taking a little more time to complete their sentence. They're okay, I was. Sometimes the kids are slow and they go with their own pace. And we are okay, finish your sentence quickly, okay? Or maybe we stop them in between. So please don't do that, because that hampers your child's confidence and that hampers your child's learning. So yes, sometimes staying patient is tough, I know that. But just stay patient, let them complete their sentence or let them complete whatever they were trying to say. And then you can correct them and then you can maybe complete their sentence or help them. Let them preferably ask for the help to Mama, what will come after that? Or Papa, what do I say after that? Third very important tip is practice is the key, as we all know. But we all wonder how to practice these sentence formation skills and how to practice it in a way that it doesn't get boring for your child. So what you can do is you can play very simple games with your child. So there are some sticky notes, okay? So I'm sure you all have it, sticky notes or maybe newspaper as well. So maybe you can write choose anything. Let's say choose noun one day, choose pronoun, adjective, verb, preposition, anything. And just write, simply just 5 sticky notes. Or what you can do it, someday you can cut it from the newspaper and hide it in your phone. Just hide it in the 4 to 5 places and start playing a game with your child. I have written some really amazing, interesting words. Or if the kids are small, you can go okay, the Santa came into the home and he has some words at home and let's find them out. So you start finding them out, and whenever you find a word, you start practicing some sentences. Okay, tell me something about this sentence. Let's make at least one sentence. Start with one, you can go up to 3 to 5 sentences per word. If your child is maybe elder and you are practicing writing skills as well, you can also practice writing with this. Many a times if kids don't like writing on a copy and pen, you can also do it on maybe a board marker or maybe on the floor, pasting a chart and maybe writing with a colored sketch pen or something. Try to keep the learning as engaging, as interesting as possible, because that's the key for lots of learning and lots of fun. So thank you so much. I hope that these tips are going to help you to improve your child's sentence formation skills and overall language and communication skills. For more such tips and tricks, stay tuned. I will be back with more tips and tricks to make your child more smarter, more confident, more independent. And similar to these tips and tricks, these are also applied in our program by our trainers. So we have a guidance program. It has just 2 sessions per week and it can improve your child's language and communication skills, their cognitive skills, their social and emotional skills, overall making your child smart, confident and important, because these skills are as important as academic skills, so don't miss these out. Stay tuned, join us, link is in the bio. Bye bye.